Ever wondered what it's like to win the natural world's lottery? Today, we're diving into 1 in a billion moments Mother Nature has up her sleeve. These clips will leave you marveling at the wonders of our world. Stick around and let us know which moment impressed you the most. A pretty rainbow? Check. Perfectly timed lightning? Check. Certified 1 in a billion moment. This is probably the only time you'll see a fire devil turning into a dust devil at a Burning Man event. You're looking at the Darvaza Gast crater, located in the middle of the Karakoram Desert. This sleeping reindeer could easily be mistaken for an ancient statue placed in the snow. Check out this naturally formed ice disc that almost looks like a man-made architectural marvel. Zombie bugs are real, guys. Extremely hot weather's causing these cars to melt. A thread of fine silk makes it look as if this leaf is continuously floating in the air.
Прямо посреди дороги. Гарри Поттера вызывали?
Talk about pressing the dodge button at the right time. Nothing to see here, just a Komodo dragon wearing a turtle shell on its head.
What kind of Komodo is this?
Check out this breathtaking time-lapse of a rainstorm. Ever seen a bird hitching a ride with another bird? Truly a one-in-a-billion moment. Yep, now I've seen everything. The gods were probably angry that day.
So it's moving. But wait, when we start moving, it looks like it's still, and then you can tell it's moving again. So crazy.
Imagine being all alone in a desert. Then you hear a humming as you turn around and see nothing. Scary, right?
Что если зайти внутрь потока? Я скатываюсь вместе с песком. Я лежу и чувствую вот этот звук.
That's not a UFO, guys. It's just a uniquely shaped cloud that might throw you off. A tropical cyclone swept seafoam along the entire Sunshine Coast in Australia. Next up, we have footage from Mexico, where the Earth started breathing after a 7.1 magnitude earthquake. Spooky, isn't it?
Sigue temblando.
Todavía sigue temblando.
जमीन किस तरह उठने लग रही भाई?
ये देखो भाई जमीन उठने लग रही है अपने आप। ये देखो भाई नया तजुर्बा जमीन का अपने आप नया तजुर्बा। मेरे भाई
देख बाहर से पीछे हो ले कहीं
Pollen was there in that tree. What would you do if you saw a swimming pool going haywire like that? Those are called rolling clouds, and they often form at the edge of thunderstorms. watch a miracle happen as a stream of crude oil emerges in the middle of the desert.
Oh my God, what the hell is going on? Are you all right? Let me help you out. Oh my God, that's quicksand. Unbelievable.
Shush! A mother and a calf sperm whale are sound asleep. Why does it look beautiful and terrifying at the same time? This pond in a wildlife park in Hawaii has turned pink due to the presence of halobacteria. Wild ice skating on a lake in Canada seems like something everyone should have on their bucket list. A starfish tries to embark on a dangerous journey on the beach. The starfish is safe as the people recording this video sent it back into the water. A detonation cord sets off explosions to help dredge a canal. I swear it looked like lightning at first glance. This looks like a scene from a Disney movie. Well, you know what they say, the bigger they are, the harder they fall. Mudsliding in Japan causes an entire house to topple. Those are some freakishly high waves. Watch as an avalanche gets triggered at the Ajax Peak in Colorado. You like to venture through a shaking forest? That roof is gonna rest in pieces. Watch this mesmerizing footage of a sand formation that looks like a baby volcano. That's a great desktop wallpaper. Bet you've never seen blue flames coming out of a volcano. That's thanks to high volumes of condensed liquid sulfur. For our last clip, we'll show you the Amazon River Basin and the Atlantic Ocean meeting at the same point. That wraps up today's video. Consider subscribing to Duck Mechanic, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated about our latest uploads. We'll see you guys in the next one.